Hi, I'm John, and I mentioned earlier that I got to the recovery center and I began basically an intensive program of recovery on an outpatient basis. Basically would spend all day here, but just, didn't spend the night. Would eat lunch here and things like that. And I got on the NAD drip program. And what I would say about the program is that within a couple of days, I went from a state where I didn't think that I was ever going to feel good again, to actually starting to feel better. That gave me some hope. And then within a week, I started seeing that not only had my cravings for alcohol dropped, but also I was beginning to sleep better, and that I was beginning to experience some enjoyment out of really simple things like just making my bed in the morning. And I began to feel better and better physically. Let's see, today is the 25th or the 26th of January, and it wasn't 3 or 4 nights ago that I slept 8 hours straight. And honestly, a couple of weeks ago, I thought I would never sleep again, because I went about 4 or 5 nights without sleeping. And then gradually it got better and better and better. And today I'm a hopeful guy, positive, good energy, back on my fitness program, and going back to work, and just feeling good about the future and what I need to do to maintain where I'm at right now.